Today, we're making a few very delicious vegetable salads with fava beans, carrots, and zucchini. Vegetable salads are incredibly popular in Morocco. There are literally dozens of different types of salads, ranging from sweet to savory. Today, we're making a few of my favorites using a blend of spices and herbs known as Chermoula. To start, shell fresh fava beans, removing the small sprout at the top and making an incision on the side of the larger beans to ensure that the flavor permeates into each bean. Heat a bit of Moroccan olive oil, I'm using mina here, along with cumin, paprika, garlic, cilantro, and salt. Mix to coat before adding some lemon juice and enough water to cover. Bring to boil, reduce to simmer, and cook covered for about 30 minutes until the beans are tender and the majority of the water has evaporated. For the carrots and zucchini, they're boiled in some salted water with garlic, drained and tossed in the same blend of spices. Chermoula can take different forms depending on how you're using it. Preserved lemons, harissa, and tomato paste are other common additions. I did add a bit of mina harissa to my carrots just for some extra heat. The ingredients, they can always be measured individually or mixed in a big batch and then used for everything from cooking fish to tagines. Serve these salads with crusty bread and enjoy. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit!